Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be building a Lego set. So this build has the most pieces I've ever done. 1,016. Yes, I said 1,016. Now it's going to be kind of hard, but I mean, I've built so many Lego sets in the past and I've built so many Vex things that it's gonna be easier than what you might think for me. It's gonna be a good challenge, but let me just show you it. Here it is, if you didn't see it on the title. It is these.
Lego Ninjago.
It's a Lego Ninjago set. The Skull Scorcher's dragon. There's Skull Scorcher, and then the other guy's nice dragon. The Lego number is 71721, and yeah, so I guess I'm gonna get off to building. See you soon. Hi guys, I just finished the build, and here it is. So it comes as the smallest parts are these. You can put a little minifigure in here, and then you can make him spin around, and then he kind of spins. These are little placeholders for the minifigures. Here, let me show you. Like that. And then you just kind of stay there. Darn airplanes. Anyways, they stay there, and that's about it. For these little things right here, there are two kind of play features. So you can make a guy's battle here. It's like a nice little scene to do stuff. Nothing really happens right here, but this place right here kind of turns, and you can make little battle things like that. Now over here, if you hit this button right here, it falls. She falls down. Let me just do that. So, yeah. Now let's get on to the dragon. Right, so the tail, it can kind of squiggle around. I feel like it would be better if it had a ball joint instead, cause I think it would just be better if it had a ball joint instead, cause whenever you're like kind of trying to get it to have a pose, it just kind of flips over. Like if I want it to be like kind of right there, it kind of moves. So kind of have to be perfectly balanced, and yeah. So the next thing is the mouth can open and close. The wings kind of can move. Yeah, that's about it. This guy, Skull Scorcher, you can put on the back, right there. The neck can move as well. Not really all that much, but it can, and then the head also can move. The Jaw is kind of flimsy, so be careful with that. Tail moves as usual. This piece off the back just don't hold it off the back right here. It easily will come off if you ever get this set. Alright. And then here is one of my, probably a good, cool play feature that isn't working for me all that much. So, if you hit this, that thing comes out and it should break, but it doesn't. And then it also kind of gets hit like that. And yeah, it's a fun play feature if you actually get it to work, but yeah, if you can't really get it to work all that well, it just doesn't work. So this is the ball that's supposed to drop. This is what's supposed to happen. Everything flies out. There's some spiders and bones in there. Black spiders and some bones. If you get it to work, it's cool, but it's really hard to because it's kind of a tight connection. So yeah. So then these shooters are kind of annoying to do. You put it in there horizontally and then just put it in there and then you push on the back, and they're kind of weak, not gonna lie. Yeah, they're pretty weak. So yeah, they can work, just sometimes it doesn't. I don't know if you're supposed to put like a bunch of them in there, so I'm gonna try to do that. Put in 2. Oh, it kind of worked. You get a bigger impact if you put more in there, so I'm gonna try and put in a few more until we get to like the back. Alright, so there is a limit. I didn't count though, so. Yep. That one kind of shot like a normal bullet, but yeah, they're kind of not meant to really shoot. Yeah, I don't know, really. It's fun to kind of do, but yeah. So you get 2 of those, and yeah. You get a lot of extra pieces. And when I mean a lot, I mean a lot. Look at all that. So yeah. I recommend this set if you need it for your collection or something like that. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, have a great day. Goodbye.